Okay, so one of the most common questions that we're getting right now is, should I buy now or later? And aside from this being a seller's market, we really want to find out how much this could potentially cost you. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and we're getting expert advice today from Sean Chappell with Prime Lending. What's the difference if I buy a house now or next spring or fall? What might actually hinder me or cost more in the long run?
Great question. So I'm getting the same questions when I'm talking to clients about the finance side of things. So for a little insight, the Fed is actually meeting right now to talk about the next steps to taper their asset purchase program. Since its inception, they've spent $2.6 trillion on purchasing mortgage-backed securities. They've done that to artificially keep rates low, to keep the market moving.
Right.
So what does this mean to you? What does this cost you? On a $200,000 mortgage, if rates increase 1% from today, or today's rates, you're looking at about $114 more per month just for 1% higher on a $200,000 mortgage. That's equivalent to $22,000 in purchase power.
Wow. Okay.
On a $500,000 mortgage, that's about $284 per month to increase 1% from today's rates, which is equivalent to about $56,000 in purchase power. So quite a bit of money just to wait.
Yeah, that's a pretty big difference.
Right.
So here's the deal. These rates are changing daily and our housing market is changing daily. Sean's contact information is below in the comment and description section. So just give him a call and run some numbers to see if now or later is best for you. We just want to make sure it doesn't cost you more to wait.